think how much farther we would be if we didn't exclude all of those people who are really smart, but who might be really smart in ways that we don't necessarily define.
Not everyone has a role model in the STEM field, right? This is definitely one of the major barriers that we're seeing with high school students. We don't have enough, female science teachers. We don't have enough Black science teachers.
And I think it's really going to take those experts with both lived experience and an understanding of critical race theory, anti-racism advocacy. It's going to take people who have an understanding of all of those things in order to see real change.
STEM is obviously connected to so many important issues like climate change and other environmental issues, and in order to take action on it, in order to change it and find the solutions, we need people that are innovators, that are creators, and people that are willing to tackle this.
When we ask a young person, what do they want to become? Their answer is dependent on the role models they see or the belief that they can attain. So if they see that there are engineers or scientists or STEM professionals who are African American or South Asian, Indigenous, or differently able, they know that the path to STEM will just look like them.
The next important conversation is to be able to do something about it. And in order for us to achieve the vision, the dream that I just identified to you, where anybody who wants to do science can do science, then we need to start to think about, what do we do for the educators? What do we do for the employers? What do we do for the parents? What do we do for the students? All of those groups are going to be important in the path ahead.